I caught a winner on gold last night, Grizzly. I caught a winner on gold. Granted, it was only like 6-7 points. I only had 5 points of risk, so solid RR will take it, baby. Win's a win as long as your risk reward is there. Win isn't really a win if you have negative R multiple, but win is a win if your risk is managed and your R multiple stays positive. Then a win is a win. As long as you keep your R multiple on every trade you take at least 1-to-1, all you need is a 50% win rate to be profitable. That's all. Now, when you start going backwards and saying green is green and not focusing and prioritizing on your R multiple, then that's when things start to slip and your edge goes backwards. Another day of blessings and gratitude. That is correct. That is factual, my friend. Team Bull, I'm going to go ahead and get the screen share going. A little early, get the screen share going. Good morning to the GOAT of Nebraska. Good morning, G-Wop. The GOAT of previously. I don't call myself the GOAT, but the previous so-called GOAT being from Nebraska originally. Previously, the coldest hooper out of Lincoln East coming from Nebraska. Morning, Carrington. What's up, Ryan? Yeah, come tap in, baby. Let's go. Come tap in. Come tap in, my friend. I'm homeless. Life to full port. FOMC to get a hotel this week. All right. Well, that's that's a little interesting. Did I take a trade already? Oh, no. No. All right, let's get this all ready to rock and roll. Scalar Night Drive 4. Bang. Did I take it? If I took a trade already, that'd be a problem. You've helped me a lot. I have been reading my Bible every morning and journaling before trading. That's amazing, baby. Perk, let's go. Hello. What up? Yeah. Gene's here 10 minutes early.
Can I talk?
What?
Yeah, I've been up since 5:30.
What?
I was playing the game this morning.
What game?
Red Dead
Oh my gosh.
2.
No real advantage, just you get to be a part of the community, and if you win, you get top 10, I'll fly you out here to track the lamb, and if we win as a team, I'm gonna give away $20,000 to the community. I answered on voice. I'm supposed to ask you if you're playing BF6. Gene?
No, I'm not.
No.
I don't play it so much.
Gene done brought the coffee before opening bell. That means it's going to be a crazy day.
I didn't think you were awake.
I'm awake. I just wasn't on my phone this morning. I'll literally have mornings where I don't go on my phone for like an hour. I mean, I go at least 15 to 30 minutes every day, but like on Saturday, I didn't check it for like 2.5 hours. I just be in my own little world, vibing. I love not being on my phone. Trying to get more like Jdun. Appreciate you, bro. We got 9 minutes till open, Team Bull. Let's get it. Oh, Greg's ready to join Zoom. All right, Greg. Well, we'll get you in the Zoom then, my boy. Got that 20 rapid 25K funded next account with your code yesterday. Appreciate you, Kyle. That is honestly the best deal in the entire industry right now. There's no better deal than funded next right now. It's honestly insane. I mean, I've read this list like 100 times, but no activation fees, no subscriptions or monthly fees, no scaling rules, no daily loss limits, uncapped payouts. Are you kidding me? Insane. I got legacy. Yeah, no consistency on legacy funded. Nuts. Insane deal. Let's see here. Which way does everyone think we're heading today? Jdun's the goat, though. I appreciate you, bro. Appreciate you, dog. Good morning, everybody. Good day to choose discipline over dopamine. All right, how are you trading FOMC? I'm just going to wait and see. I'm going to trade for the first, probably hour today. Hour and a half, then go hit the gym. And then I'll be back for FOMC at noon. What's up, Kiki? Good morning. Do I have any advice on taking a loss? Have great days, and the days I take a loss, I lose my head. Well, you can look at your data. When you're taking a loss, what's happening? Are you consistently managing your risk? Are you consistently mapping out your risk before each trade you take? Or are you taking a trade based on hope and just letting the loss run rapid? Can't let that happen anymore, bro. Yo, Grizzly, you here, bro? Oh my gosh, NVIDIA's at 208. My long terms are printing, guys. Guess what my average is for my NVIDIAs in my Robinhood account, for my fun account? I have 400 shares in NVIDIA in my fun account. My average is 98.71. Literally up 111%. I got that ad at 87. My average is 98.71. I will never sell. I will never sell. Ever. Oh, my Meta. You remember the Meta, bro. I bought a ton of Meta when it was in the 250s. I just sold and I forgot about it. Or not sold. I never sold. I just forgot about it. My average cost of Meta is $239. $239. I'm up 214%. NVIDIA we can watch for, I mean, maybe like a 204 bounce. Tesla still looks bullish to me, in my opinion.
Hey, Jdun, you said in the video?
Bro, that bounce we had yesterday.
I didn't even see it yet.
Dude, that hit perfectly and it exploded. No, like the actual bottom. Like the literal bottom, bro. Wild, bro.
What kind of coffee do you bring? You know what I'm saying?
Yep. Some Folgers. Let's get it, guys. 1 minute till open. Trade smart, trade safe. Today is FOMC.
Look, everyone. I'm gonna make a bag today.
Let's make ourselves a bag.
I don't like a bounce to like 26, 160 and then Q. Quite a ways off. 126, 160. Right around that previous day point control we're looking for. We got Asia low there as well and previous day closing. Previous day closes at 172.5.
Market's open, baby. Let's get it. Trade smart, trade safe. Choose discipline over dopamine. And let's make some money together. Wherever. All right. Let's go. Trade smart, trade safe, everybody. Eric, let's go. Eric and OC said 5K payout arrived last night at Jdun. Took a lot of hard work to get to this point. Thanks to Team Bull for everything. Let's go. It's amazing. This is so fire. That makes me so fire. So freaking happy. It's so fire. Happy flames. The happiest of all flames. That's what they are. This setup. Why would I trade something that has no pattern? I trade price action. I don't trade. Well, I mean, I guess you could argue trade patterns, but
What a massive move on SoFi off the open.
nuts.
It ripped up like almost $1.
You know what I just realized, Grizzly? I have 194 shares of SoFi in my Fun at Robinhood account. My average price is $7.99.
Dude, you might want to consider taking profit.
Well, no, I'm up 8. I'm up.
It is ripping. It's crazy. What's the volume? How much are you up?
For almost $5,000, I'm up 306% on my Fun account. This is my Ocean Prime account.
Dude, you should sell some covered calls on it.
I'll sell 75 shares. Fine.
So you can make some money off the covered calls over the IVs. Yeah.
Now I basically have a free position that if it goes bananas, it's all profit. That's cool. It's kind of fun when you look and you see, oh, I have a position that's up 300%. That's cool. That's $5,000 that I didn't realize I had and that I have. So we'll take that.
It's never a bad thing. And the money laying around.
Never. How long have I been trading for? Almost a decade, 9 years and counting. What?
The SoFi pushed up like $1 and it sold nearly back on
Damn.
the pre-market high.
Maybe I just sold the top.
You might have. The video is ripping.
What is?
So 210, the video is ripping.
Insane.
11.
Literally going bananas.
Yeah. What a strong market.
Sustain my existence. Yeah, this market's got about an hour and a half for me this morning. After that, I'm going to go to the gym and then be back for FOMC. Good morning, everybody on the live streams. I appreciate y'all being here for FOMC Day. Make sure y'all tap in, hit that follow button if you're on TikTok, hit that subscribe if you're on YouTube. Make sure y'all get those likes pouring. We got 600 people on YouTube. How we only got 55 likes? Hit that thumbs up. Make sure you tap that screen if you're on TikTok. And let's get it. If you guys are trading prop firms, I appreciate you using code Jdun, code JDUN. It means the world to me. I will always do my best to help you guys pass your challenges, get funded, and get paid. What up, Cameron? Appreciate you coming to the live. We do this every day. If you guys haven't gotten one of those new Funded Next accounts, you got to tap in. Nuts. Watching you live for the first time. Well, welcome. You're going to experience a stream focused on discipline over dopamine. I might start trading again because of you. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's get that eval pass for you, my friend. Let's get it, Team Bowl. Young O's. We will be live for FOMC today, too. It is freezing here in Colorado this morning. It's cold. It's freaking cold. Other day. I did one solid trade on shorts yesterday. Just gap up after gap up. Gap up after gap up after gap up. Constant. It's like 16 in Castle Rock. I don't doubt it. Yeah, it's cold here. It's like 25 here. Why do I have the 1 minute chart up? What am I doing? What am I doing? All right, guys. Our levels are set. Yo, how do I get this guy's help? Well, you tap in, you hit that follow button, and you just join us every day. That's all we do. We come and hang out. If you want full screen share, you can go to YouTube as well. Jdun Trades. I'm live on YouTube with full screen share. And if you want a community that's focused and private, you can also join Team Bull. Let's see what else they give us. At the Cowan Morrison. I'll try it. I'm down. I'm with it. I'd love to try it. What's gold doing? We caught a nice little trade on gold last night. Well, for clients, what do you do? Client for what? All right, I'm going to be looking through some individual names as well. I see something, but this NVIDIA pre-market high bounce is coming up. We're just so extended. Yeah, the orb works pretty well with gold. It really does. Honestly, this VPA concepts in general work very well with gold. Can you use funded next if you live in Singapore? I honestly have no clue. There's some countries that are restricted. I'm not sure if that's one of them. Is today's market setup bullish? I'm not sure. I don't really use EMAs. I'll use VWAP on occasion, but it's fine. Not necessary though, for me at least. When I ride, if we go down to that 209 area on NVIDIA, I'm open to look for some longs. It's a break and retest of pre-market high. So if you see this, you have that aggressive impulse candle. Pre-market high. We also have VWAP at 209 for those who use the VWAP. I just pulled it up because y'all started talking about it. We are at all-time highs though, so requires patience. Requires patience. That's why all-time high trading knocks out so many traders, is because you have to be extra patient. You have to be extra cautious. You have to choose extra discipline. That's why I come in, I scream discipline over dopamine at you every single day. I typically like the days following FOMC as well. Like we usually get some pretty good volatility the Thursday and Friday after FOMC, so that might be an option for us too. Do people copy trade this guy profitably? Well, I don't want you to copy, but hey, if you're in YouTube and I've helped you make money, type yes. Again, I don't want you to be copiers forever. I like teaching you guys and helping you learn and helping you stay disciplined. But if I've helped you make money, anytime in the last, call it, let's say 3 weeks. Some yeses. That makes me really happy. Again, I don't want signal copiers. I really don't. I don't want people, your strategy. Like someone was talking about, they said their edge is I listen to Jdun and copy. I'm like, all right, well, let's not do that because I want you to know your own strategy. I wasn't even talking to you. I was just saying for proof of concept. Not perfect. I lose trades like every real trader loses trades, but I keep my losses pretty managed. And I do really, really well. I do really well with not allowing myself to blow up. That was my biggest problem for a long time, is I loved just self-sabotaging my trading account and decimating any gains that I had. I'd make money for a week, then I'd be very, very good at giving it all away in a single day. So discipline over dopamine has really helped me not do that. It's really helped me stay focused. Secured max payout on Top Step. Let's go. Saw Dogs, a firefighter causing fires for these prop firms. That's awesome. That's incredible. So let's see. Our 15-minute range is in. We got our 15-minute range in. Let's go ahead and mark that out together. Color code that green, not to get it confused. We have room from both the 15-minute high and low to our London highs and lows too, which is nice. Which is very nice. Now we'll just have to see what they give us as we close above or below these levels. My expectations are low for this morning. I appreciate you, Navy Jonathan. Envy Jonathan. If you want the full screen share, you got to go to YouTube, guys. Jdun Trades. Or in Team Bowl. That's the best stream is in Team Bowl. That's where you have no lag. Jdun, if you catch me a banger today, I'll get a payout on 5 top step accounts. My largest payout. Oh, gee, well. Thanks. Definitely no pressure there. But you know what's good for you, Calhoun? I love the pressure, baby. Give it to me. I'm going to find you a banger, my friend. I'm going to find you a banger and get you that payout secured. I'm going to do everything I can, my friend. Patience, young Padawan. Or old Padawan. Or mid-aged Padawan, I'm not sure. We're going to find you a banger. 20, 30 points with some defined risk. Let's check out NVIDIA, too. I'm keeping my eyes peeled on these individuals. Tesla's thinking about rebounding. Okay. What are you watching, Grizzly Glock? Anything you like?
What's up, Jdun?
Are you got anything on watch?
No, not really. Not yet. We got the range again. Very similar price action to yesterday. Hoping SoFi still up a little more. I was gonna look for a possible day trade on that. Got a ways to go.
Damn, Grizzly, you may have just told me to sell the top of SoFi. That's hilarious. I mean, my average is at 8, so I basically sold what I put in. So now it's a risk-free trade.
Honestly, I like SoFi for a possible swing trade, but I'm already in too. I hate having a bunch open. Maybe like a swing trade with a daily close up to level 30 for the stop.
What do you say?
Well, daily close below 29.50. With SoFi, if you try to swing, it would be my stop.
Yes. Let it pump. Let it crank, baby. Let it crank. Let it crank up. What's IWM doing? I haven't really traded IWM in a hot minute. Not doing anything. Nothing to trade there right now anyway. NVIDIA came down and almost tested that pre-market high. I don't only trade Orb. I just use pre-market high, pre-market low, 15-minute high and 15-minute low for reference. So like when people ask if I'm an orb trader, I say no. Like, yes, I will use the orb, but I don't only trade the orb. I trade volume price analysis. Well, Sam, you got to stay for the whole 2 hours. If you only come in for like 15, 20 minutes, you probably won't see me take a trade. And that's boring for some of you guys. I get that. And if you don't want to have that type of patience in your trading, I have some unfortunate news. You probably won't make it. This isn't get on for 10 minutes a day and make a bunch of money and get off. I sit for 2 hours to find a good 5 to 10 to 15-minute trade. I'll sit for 2 hours and I might catch nothing. That's how it goes sometimes. You feel me? So we could pull up AMD too. All right, guys, we're choosing patience this morning. I mean, I learned a lot from Anna Cooling for sure. It's not all from Anna Cooling, but I definitely did learn a lot. I certainly did learn a lot from her. For that, I'm very grateful. She's even been inside Team Bull teaching before. That's right, Jacob. We might need to summon Grandma for FOMC, guys. Way back from the north. Oh, whoops. I'm watching. Staying patient, guys. Neo. Patience. I'm gonna start singing the patience song. Patience, patience, patience. That's what I start doing when the market's being slow. It's also worth noting too when we are at these highs, like we are now, and especially if we're longing into highs, I always have a little more of a scalp type bias. So I'll typically do my best to keep my risk smaller, and I will also take profits a little quicker. Hey, just saying, losers focus on winners, winners focus on winning, baby. We know who the captain is, though, Captain. We focus on winning on this side. Every single day live, transparently, no guessing, catching y'all bangers. Lower volume on that candle. Still no trades for me. Still no trades for me. Staying patient. We're above the orb, but still no setup for me. I have to close above with higher volume. What if NQ takes all-time high? You won't long. I mean, I'm not going to long it NQ all-time high just because we're there. Why'd I do that? I'm open to longing if we get a good setup. Tesla's thinking about making a move. AMD's thinking about making a move too. Oh my gosh. Literally face ripper to the upside. You know, everyone thinks it's going to be sell the news for FOMC tonight. Or today, excuse me. And I'm not going to say it's not going to be, but I'm not 100% certain. When everyone thinks one thing on social media, it makes me like want to look the opposite way. And that spy orb worked out nicely. Less volume, but what? And we're at all-time high. Again. This is your morning reminder. Everyone choose discipline over dopamine. I know we see candles ripping up, ripping down. It's easy to want to chase, but not on this side. We choose discipline over dopamine, baby. Stay patient. Trade with the system. Trade with precision. And we'll catch ourselves a winner eventually today. It is FOMC day, so many times I won't take a trade in the morning. I'm not saying we won't, but I'm saying that I'm not going to take a trade without clear confirmation.
Oh, you're not going to trade?
No. Are you?
No. I'm seeing how this candle closes. If we get a little more volume on this candle, I'm going to look for a pullback down to like the 280 area. A little bit below the top of that 15-minute range. 26, 280.
Unreal. Unreal. Just pushing up into oblivion. Lucky for us. Yep. And even that candle right there, like we got this aggressive push up with lower volume. I mean, we can arguably look for a pullback into this area with stops below this candle. I don't love it, but it's, I guess, a possible setup with not a ton of risk. I'm really not a huge fan of longing into all-time highs. If we down to like 310 to like 300 again, we can try longs with stops below like 288. But I'm not even sure we're going to get that. Not even sure we're going to get that, guys. Which is fine with me. Even if we got a perfect pullback right now to 310 to 300, I mean, it's still not my favorite setup. I'm going to go micros today before FOMC. I just decided that. So I have a little more room to scalp and take trims quicker with more contracts if I end up taking a trade. Pre-market high retest is happening. It's just hard to long this. 88. I'm trying a small piece of longs, guys. I might get cooked at 304 with we can even go 15 points of risk. So down to, if you want less risk, just go below 88. I mean, you have literally, yeah, we'll just put our stops at like 88. I'm going for 1-to-1 here. And not my favorite setup at all-time highs, but I'm willing to try it with some micros. Let's see if it stops me out. I won't lose very much. I'll lose 100 and, well, not quite. I got 5 micros. No, don't do it. All right, I lost $177 on that. Well, that's so lame. 177. What? Oh, I was in some MNQ longs with like 16 points of risk, and I just lost $177. So 0 for 1. I was willing to give that a little try at that I was willing to give that a try, that 15-minute high and pre-market high, but I'm not gonna sit here and try it down here either. We're at all-time highs, so I'll give it a little. I personally can't try anymore with that candle how it is. But I did try that initial position up at 304, and I got stopped out at 288. So 177. 177 down so far. Kept it super light. But if we would have gotten my price target up there above high a day, we'll have a decent day. Hope it works for you. I'm personally going to be sit out for the rest of the morning until I see something A+.
Almost like it's FOMC.
Yep. Was it hard to give up the Lambo for a Honda because of trading losses? You know, it was very tough. I'm still grieving it every morning. Every day I wake up and just devastated that I had to go buy a Honda because I lost my Lambo trading. Please don't remind me. I don't know why you had to come in and remind me of that this morning, man. It's not very cool. I was trying to forget about it. If you didn't know, yeah, I lost my Lambo trading, so I had to go buy a Honda. That's why I'm in my Honda every day. If you didn't know, now you know. We learn things every day. Yep. I'll be live for FOMC and Power Hour. I'd love for you to join. I put myself on the schedule. Got to update.
Right idea if this does fail. You can see it's respecting that point of control. It bounced up off of it. Quite a bit of selling here. We could end up getting stopped. Either way, following the game.
You lost your Lambo trading? Yeah. Yeah, I lost my Lambo trading. Yes, that's why I went and bought a Honda Accord. No new trades for me, guys. Guys, it's a joke. If you couldn't sense the sarcasm. It's a joke. I have apparently, and then when I show my big green machine in the garage, then it's rented. So actually, now the story is I drive my Honda because I got to keep my rental miles low. See, this is why I stopped below that trend-setting candle low. You know, I tried that position. It looked decent. I wanted to catch the trend. Didn't end up getting the higher low I wanted, so I just stopped below it. Is what it is. Appreciate y'all being here. As a reminder, if you're trading with prop firms, I will always do my best to keep your losses small and your wins big. Make sure you tap in, hit that follow button if you're on TikTok, top left corner. Hit that subscribe if you're on YouTube. And if you're trading with prop firms, to make sure you use code Jdun. When you use code Jdun, I want you to remember one thing. Well, three things. Discipline over dopamine. I don't want you blowing prop accounts and treating them like a game. I want you guys using code Jdun and saying, all right, I'm going to save my hard-earned money. I'm going to lock in. I'm going to do my absolute best to get a payout, move it to live, and progress my trading forward. Should I type back to Brandon?
I'm moving my stop to 269 now, everyone, on this trade. Hard stop, 269. Very little risk in this trade now.
'Tis full. Let's see here, baby. Let's see what we get. What's your stop at, Grizzly Glock?
Below that previous 5-minute candle. Bottom of it. I mean, if you want to wait, you flush B-block. It's right below, but I'm just going to limit my risk here because it's not seeing what I like to see.
I did lose my first trade. 16 points.
For a small loss.
Actually, technically a little less because I added one more contract a little lower. So I ended up losing like 177, 180 bucks to call it. Nothing. Yeah, honestly, that was a setup that if it would have played out, we would have kept trending up, then would have caught a nice like 1.5 hour plus trade. Like 4 hundo, 5 hundo. Am I in a trade? No.
Just looking to see if I can take the shorts or longs. These are set up for shorts, but I'm not sure this is why. Waiting to see if it's valid or not. Okay, watching this area of 294, 299. Shorts are okay, or they want to cover this level.
All right. Hopefully you get a nice move up, Grizzly Glock.
Yes, Jdun, you see this?
Oh, did it just wake you out down there?
Wake me out by a few points. Literally down to B-block.
Yeah, it's...
My original plan stopped out below B-block. Just hit my first price target.
Holding the middle line, I mean, I still technically speaking like longs too, but I'm honestly not. There's a very low probability that I want to put any more risk on until FOMC.
What's too fast? What's too fast? What's too fast? Getting ready with the shorts. Stand by.
Jesus, the video 5 trillion.
patience. We're patient.
Hard. To get Jdun down 20 buys. Watch us just rip now. Watch us move forward. Watch us just rip. How do you close partials when you're copy trading? Well, you got to have it equal amounts for each account. I like TradeAvate's copy trader if I'm going to use anything. I don't really use like any of those third-party ones. Not a big fan.
Set up these 4 shorts, man, is what price action is tricky. That's why I haven't taken anything yet. Looking.
DOD, guys. Discipline over dopamine, baby. Come on. Stay focused. Stay focused on the mission. How y'all doing this morning so far, Team Bull? I'm not in any trades. No, I took one small loss, one really small loss. We'll call it break even. But technically, it was a loss. Lost like 14 to 16 points, depending on your entry. Don't. Don't. Come on, give us some trend, baby. $13. My part of town. Donald. Also, next Wednesday, we're going to have Jared Tendler. He was going to come today, but we have FOMC and we'll be live. So next Wednesday, we'll have Jared Tendler inside Team Bull for our usual consistent trading psychology. Planning on another trade if we get a setup, but I'm not going to force anything. I'm not going to force anything for sure. You can run, but you can't hide forever. Damn, Tradeify just dropped a fat sale too for their Lightning funded accounts. 45% off. Oh, I got to post that up. If you've been looking to trade with Tradeify, damn, all of their Lightning funded accounts just went 45% off. 25, 50K, and 100K. Tradeify is 45% off. If you've been looking to get straight to funded, this is your chance. Damn, that's nuts. Almost 50% off. If you guys been looking to get straight to funded with Tradeify, tap that link and make sure you use code Jdun. Tradeify. We'll see if shorts play out. We're not getting movement in anything. I think the market's just waiting on FOMC. We're not getting movement in almost anything. Let's see, guys. DOD. I'm going to start screaming DOD over and over again. It's already been an hour. It's already been an hour and no trades for you, bull, or no winning trades. Excuse me. I did take a trade and it lost. No winning trades yet. Down 177 on the morning. What am I going to do? A few more of these and the lamb chop's gone. Read Everyday Raptor is going to be gone. AMD's got a little symmetrical triangle going on. You haven't missed much today if you have 0 trades. Yep, 45% off. Yep. Greg in the shorts.
Stop losses of 302.
How strict are the payouts on Tradeify? The only downfall is the 20% consistency rule. Besides that, it's solid. If you're more of a scalper and you have smaller days, then it's fine. You also don't have to worry about evals. But if you like to hold your winners for a long time and have big days, then 20% consistency can be kind of tough, for sure. No. Yep, it's only on the 25, 50, and 100K accounts for Tradeify. So if you want to enter the Grand Cup and if you want to be a part of Team Bull, ambassador code TB, we're giving out some fat prizes if someone wins it. Today's your chance to get an account. Straight to funded, skip the eval. Use code Jdun for 45% off. As a reminder, I'm going to help you guys do everything I can to help you guys pass your challenges, get funded, and get paid. Yeah, we paid. Come on. Want to come say hello to everyone quick, Gene? I gotta use the restroom.
Hello, my friends. It is very warm over here. Yeah, it's super warm. Jeez, you need a new mouse, bro. It's just cooked. Hi, guys. What are you guys doing? You guys being good? Let's go. Where's my Discord chat? Hello.
I got some water quick. That price actually annoyed me over there.
Right, stop out. I'm done for today, guys. I'm leaving. No more trades. Too early. Maybe I will come back to here. Let's see if I have time. I will come back. If not, see you tomorrow.
What up? All right.
Thank you, guys.
As a reminder, if you want to come to the Halloween party on Friday, Make sure y'all DM me. Live trading Halloween party. Have to bring a costume though. Yeah. Gene says he's going to be a Home Depot worker for Halloween. I got a hat there for you.
Where?
At the office.
You thinking about long shirt, Jdun?
Honestly, bro, I made us not take anything till after FOMC, till after he speaks.
I agree with that, man. 100%.
No, Jonathan. It's his TikTok is his TikTok is a live trading with dinero. Someone said your Halloween costume should be something.
That'd be a great costume. Go on now. I love these people.
Hilarious. Yeah, no trades for me right now, guys. I'm just gonna stay patient and wait. Y'all are hilarious. Don't. Let's see how this candle plays out. Let's see if this one gives us an entry.
I really like longs here. I'm just gonna call it morning. Right, force the trade here. Knowing if FOMC can make it go either way quickly. I may try to hop back on for FOMC today.
I like longs too.
Technically, that previous 5-minute candle confirmed it.
I know. Let's see what's the low. 289.
Entry right here, 304. Top below 91.
Doesn't look bad. I mean, there's not a ton of risk. There's like what, 15 points of risk.
On a normal day, I would take it right now, but I'm gonna walk away. I'll talk to y'all later, okay?
See you, bro. I like it too. 300 area. Pull back to 300 if you want a lower risk trade. I mean, it's FOMC, and this market's been kind of doo-doo, but you can test it. Like 300 area for longs with stops for like 288 again. Not fully convinced yet, but doesn't look horrible. Knowing me, I'd try it again. No, you'd get some Trump news channel. It would just drop 40 points. I really like the longs. I'm just hesitant because it's FOMC. I mean, on a normal setup, like Grizz was saying, this is something I would take with stops below like 289. But I'm not super confident that we're going to see an actual trend today with FOMC. So could we try it for a one-to-one trade? Sure, maybe. But is it really worth it? That I'm not so sure of. How am I doing today? I'm doing all right. I mean, I'm 0 for 1, but it's fine. Never seen this dude enter a trade live, bro. You literally come in here every day and say that. Literally every day. It's always the same people that come in and start hating, but they come watch every day. I'm like, I will never understand it. I mean, I'm happy to help you, but it's just the most odd psychological thing that I've ever experienced. Like, if I don't like a TV show, I don't go watch it every day. I understand you know that I'm the best trader on this app on TikTok. I get it, bro. But, you know, at least come show some love. And at least hit that follow button in the top left corner, baby. I really like longs here, but I don't want to take them because I don't think that we're going to get a trend. And that's exactly what I was worried about. What? No mames. I'm trying one more piece of longs, guys, with a 10-point stop. 11-point stop. If this loses, then I'm done for the morning. See if we can reclaim 300 and move up. We tried it small size again. If we go below 288 or 289, then I'm going to be done. And I'll be down like just under 400. Probably, maybe a little less. I only have 4 micros. My hard stops are at 288. Is it going to stop me out in less than 20 seconds on 4 micros? I just going to be down less than I thought. It's only going to be like $300. 274. All right, I'm done. I just got stopped on that 4 micros. 274. I'm going to be done for the morning. I'm not getting off the stream for another 18 minutes, but I'm not going to take any more trades. I tried to trade at 10 points of risk, and I thought we were going to reclaim that. Didn't work out. I'm done with it. Granted, kept it super, super small. Kept the loss super, super small. Basically, I gave back what I made trading gold last night on stream. But yeah, I'm not going to take any more trades this morning. Maybe if we get some aggressive push to the downside and some crazy volume candle down below the 15-minute low, I'd try. But no more trying longs. 1 stab loss for 14 points. 1 stab loss for 10 points. No more. But we kept our risk defined, so I kind of had a feeling that was going to happen. If we ended up having the move I wanted to above that 310 up to high day, that would have been a nice sell at like 1.5 to our trade. No more trades for me. 274 and 10 cents down on the AM. On FOMC morning. And that, my friends, is why we set hard stops. Why I always follow my plan. I can take, 1, 2, 3 stabs at a trade. And as long as I follow my plan and my risk, I know that when I get that winner and when I hold my winner and when I get that solid R multiple, that it's going to make up for any losses. I'm also very aware. I'm very aware on days like FOMC or, longing at all-time highs that I got to have much less risk on. You got to plan for that. Now, this is a setup. Again, I'm done trading for the morning, but if we get this strong close here, I'd look for a move back up to short and move down, but I'm just not super I'm not super confident that we're going to get out of this range until after Jay Powell speaks. Or after we already know that we're going to cut rates like by 25 basis points, more than likely. Very, very highly probable. But on a perfect scenario, I'd be looking for a short entry to move down. I'm done trading for the AM. From a risk perspective, I have a lot more to give, but I don't think that I don't think the juice is worth the squeeze, if you get what I'm saying. Was that good DOD? Totally, yeah. Definitely. Anytime that I follow a setup that looks like it has an edge in it and I follow my risk, that's DOD. Now, had I taken a trade and just let it run free fall and deleted my hard stop and just kind of let it keep going because I didn't want to lose a trade, then that's not DOD. I like the shorts up here off this reject, off what we circled on screen share, but not sure it's going to give it to us. That's a textbook setup for me, what we circled on screen share. Trunk or treat in the lamb, right? We should, huh? We're only down 274 in the morning, so I mean, very managed, very small. Oh, today I took two small trades with small size. They're both losses. I'm gonna be honest, I like shorts right here too. I really liked it on this area we had circled. Aggressive impulse candle down, retest back up, but I did not execute that. Ugh. Purple Lambo. That's not me. Damn. Scataboo for the Giants had a dislocated ankle, a deltoid ligament rupture, and a fibula fracture. That looked disgusting. Oh my gosh, that short. Let's see. That's what I wanted to see right there. From that circled spot up there. Man, that's annoying. That is hecka annoying. Oh, that's hecka annoying. Two garbage little long trades to miss a textbook beautiful retest short up there. That is frustrating. For sure. That is hecka annoying. Jdun, I got stopped on my shorts and went my way. How do you handle something like this? Well, give it like an hour of just breathing and relaxing and full and just being, and it'll pass as long as you don't go on tilt. There will always be more good trades. Like, what the hell is this? What? It comes and goes, man. You know, I get the FOMO and I get the frustration, but there will always be more good trades. But there won't be more good trades if you blow yourself up. Like, this is some FOMC BS right here. What? Like, what? As a reminder, too, guys, Tradeify just dropped 45% off, almost half off on their straight to funded accounts. If you use code Jdun, you'll get 45% off the 25, 50K, or 100K accounts. And if you buy an account, that will automatically get you free entry into the Grand Cup. That will automatically get you free entry into the Grand Cup. I don't stream Twitch, but I'm on YouTube. Jdun Trades. If you want full screen share, just tap in. The one I just sent, Kelsey. Kelsey, click this link right here. Get the 25K, 50K, or 100K straight to funded. It's 45% off, basically half off. Tradeify, they're the best. They're the best. You guys still watching this guy? He's horrible. I'm the worst. Yeah. You're here watching too. That says something, right? Yeah, I don't blame you though, my boy. I'd watch me too. Do I have intro videos on using Funded Next? I don't. Miss K, you said, are you okay? That's hilarious. Bro, these haters are hilarious racking up your stream numbers. I know they don't realize that they're boosting the stream. They literally are helping. So honestly, I tell them thank you. I'm like, thank you. You're getting good people in here. But honestly, you can have your cake today. I am 0 for 2. I have 2 small losses. So you know what? The haters get their cake today. You get your cake today, my friend. You better eat it up because this don't happen often. You better eat it up, my boy or my girl. You can have your piece of cake today. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da. We don't take Jdun slander. Much love, Rob. You're the GOAT. I mean, I spoke about the setup on shorts, but here's the thing, guys. I'm never gonna be like, oh guys, I spoke on that setup. You should have taken that. Like, bro, I didn't call it out, so I don't count. I called out two small trades and they're both losers. Says what it is, you know? I win some, I lose some. I'm not gonna sit here and take credit for the wins and then try to brush off, any losers. It is what it is, baby. It's part of the game. Now, if I would have sat there and had stops on my longs that I just didn't follow and just completely ignored, like that's not okay. Like that's when shit gets out of hand. Stuff gets out of hand, excuse me. For me, as long as I follow my plan, I'm chilling. No, that's my biggest. It used to be in my red or green. It used to be if I'm red or green, I was happy or mad, but now it's did I follow my plan? Did I follow my stop loss? All right. If I followed my plan, I'm happy. If I didn't follow my plan, sad. Upset. If you want to conduct the orchestra, you have to turn your back on the audience. What does that even mean? What does that even mean? Maybe we should be trading gold. What's gold doing? Let's go check GC. The heck? Oh my gosh. Hold on. I gotta do a you guys gotta look at my YouTube for a second. I gotta verify my personal information. That's odd. Keep current status. There we go. That was hella weird. Is this live or recorded? It's certainly live. I am not Jdun bot. This is live. Am I taking this ES short? Not currently. We like to poke a little fun at the haters here and there. It's all love for me. I still help them. I still want to see them win. Don't. Nice job, Gene. I just seen your IG story. Made some good money. Macy's been cooking on the low. Yeah, go bombard Gene with followers on IG. He posts some good stuff. He just got you get your payout hit, Gene? Oh, but it got approved? Nice. Nice. Dinero_trades is Gene's Instagram. Dinero, DINERO_trades is his IG. If you want to rock with Gene. Yeah, Gene's been killing it. He trades Asia and Team Bull every day too. Well, Team Bull missed a decent short setup on that 5-minute reversal. 2 baby losses on long tests. But, you know, it's going to happen at all-time highs. You take stabs where you can, and you manage your risk on the way. Yep, FOMC is at 2 p.m. Eastern time. I'm likely going to get off a little early today, guys. I'm sure, guys, once I step away, you're going to get a massive move, probably to the downside. Some sort of direction. You'll get some sort of move. Am I coming back for news? I'll be back for FOMC. Yep. I'll be streaming the meeting and I'll be streaming Power Hours. I'll be on for like 2 hours this afternoon. I'll be on for like 2 hours. I still like shorts if it was a normal day. If it wasn't FOMC, I'd like shorts. I still like, if it was a normal day, I'd 100% be looking for a shorts entry, like without a doubt. No doubt in my mind. No doubt in my mind. The only time I look for longs is if we built a base above our structure up here. I mean, everything points to shorts. $78. I wouldn't be angry if you tried shorts and you had stops above like 280. Just saying. If it was a normal day, I'd much prefer it. When did I used to preach indicators? I don't even hate indicators. I just don't like them. It's not like if you can be profitable with the 8 and 21 EMA, then do it. VWAP's fine. I think the MACD and RSI and such are kind of a waste of time. Volume's cool. Naughty, daddy. On a normal day, I'd almost certainly try shorts with stops above a trend-setting candle. But I'm gonna go ahead and mob off, guys. I'm sure right now that I'm getting off, we'll see a massive dump or a massive rip, something, and I'll be back on at 2 p.m. Eastern time. All right, for FOMC, and I'll be back on for Power Hour as well. So I'll be back on for the last 2 hours of market open. Trade smart, trade safe. And I'll see you guys on the flip side, all right? See you guys in a few hours. See you guys for FOMC. God bless y'all. Peace. As a reminder, too, guys, Tradeify just went 45% off. You can use code Jdun in the 25, 50, and 100K straight to funded accounts. I'll put the link here in YouTube. Go get yourself an account with code Jdun, and let's make some money for FOMC, all right? Hopefully, if you're in shorts, you get a massive dump down. That's what I would personally look at if I was trading and if it wasn't FOMC, but I'm out of here. So God bless y'all. Hit that follow button, hit that subscribe, keep that bell notification on YouTube, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Peace.